Those are Chiboy, Onowu, and Marathon. This is the operation that led to their arrest. First off, kudos to the men of the 34 Artillery Brigade Obins and their garrison commander for a job well done, because it's not easy. You know, I don't know the last time I saw the military, especially in the southeast, carry out this type of operation. This happened since May, but they did not waver. These are the people that buy those traditional land. You can see the list of the people they eliminated. I just posted there. And they ambushed innocent soldiers that were just going on their normal patrol routine in another place that has no business with them or anything. They just ambushed them from the forest. You know, those forested areas at Ebema, all of a sudden they open fire. Unlucky enough, they got one KIA and the other one got wounded. Then the guns, they bought Hilux, so somebody Hilux, a company, they bought a company's Hilux with people inside it, for you to see how evil these guys are. And they've constituted themselves as the law around the Ebema. And the Ebema people know these guys. You keep quiet because they keep confusing you with these their flags that they are freedom fighters. You allow this type of people to be in your place. It took the intelligence of the garrison commander of the 34 Artillery Brigade to even speak with the villagers before they could be allowed to enter there. Meanwhile, this operation, they followed these people for months. They did not waver. They did not get discouraged. Targeted for them, tracked them, followed them until they got there. They've recovered all the army weapons. They've recovered the 2 army rifles and also these people's rifles. And let me warn you people at women. You see that garrison commander, you see this garrison commander that puts his picture there. No look and say they gentle. You see how he was speaking to those villagers, calmly and everything. And I know that man, I don't know what it be army training. Now people like if he really bring out time, mount on now with men, go ask people for Osu. This Osu where they pursue on for Mother Valley, in case I don't know who do am, na the same person be that. So I just the one on now. Those of you that are on the run, keep running. Don't look back. Don't ever come back. You see this thing when you know they forgive you. Go ask them for so may they tell you, may they explain to you how they be. And should be see the kind of soldiers when they carry see in boys back. Because the silence of the government does not mean they don't know what to do to you people. And people like that garrison commander, it mean you your own don't finish. I say if it mean you, ask Butus or waiting the pursue force and the bonus area. Gentle, they no born away make you pull head for so again. So if you people are looking for fire, get ready, because this one is coming with sulfur. Get ready. On no fear. On no fear. Soldiers when they go on their own, we no look for your trouble. When you think say they don't know so that day, it will not think like on a thing say if he sets like say okay, make them do okay now when they come, what you wanna do? What you wanna fit do? Parents, warn your people, warn your sons and daughters. You know all of these people, and you know what they do. I don't know how you people will allow your place to be awash with weapons, and you don't expect that one day they will bring some type of problem for you. Remember Oti. Mona, remember Oti. Remember Zaki Biano. Because when he read, you know go funny. So make I tell her.